why consumption funds can be suitable for long-term wealth creation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll talk about why consumption funds could be suitable for long-term wealth creation. Let's get started. So what exactly are consumption funds? These are mutual funds that invest in companies involved in products or services that people use regularly. This includes sectors like consumer goods, retail, food and beverages, automobiles, and even entertainment. The idea is to invest in companies that benefit from ongoing demand as people continue to consume goods and services. Why consumption funds? Consumption funds focus on businesses that meet everyday needs. The demand for these products is typically stable, which can help provide a level of security to investors. Whether the economy is booming or facing a slowdown, people still need basic necessities like food, clothing, and healthcare. In fact, many companies in the consumption sector have shown steady growth over the years, and some even perform well during economic downturns. Benefits of consumption funds for long-term wealth creation. One of the main reasons consumption funds can be a good option for long-term wealth creation is their potential for steady growth. These companies often have strong market positions and brand loyalty, making them well positioned to ride out market fluctuations. Investing in consumption funds over the long term allows you to potentially benefit from the growth of companies in essential sectors. As the world's population grows and consumer spending continues to increase, companies in this space might experience growth over time, potentially leading to long-term gains. Moreover, some consumption companies offer attractive dividend payouts which could be reinvested to further grow your wealth over time. Diversification and risk management. Investing in consumption funds also offers a level of diversification. These funds invest across multiple companies in different segments of the consumer market, which can reduce the overall risk compared to investing in a single stock. By spreading your investments across different sectors within consumption, such as retail, food, and automobiles, you can balance the risk that might affect any one sector. However, like all investments, consumption funds come with risks. These funds can be affected by changes in consumer behavior, economic conditions, and government policies. For instance, in times of economic downturn, some consumer sectors might face lower demand, which could impact performance. But for long-term investors, the general stability and growth potential for these sectors could outweigh short-term volatility. Consumption funds and economic trends. The consumption sector can also benefit from long-term economic trends. For example, rising urbanization, growing middle-class population in emerging markets, and changing lifestyles can boost demand for consumer products and services. Additionally, as technology continues to advance, companies in the consumption sector might innovate, creating new growth opportunities. By investing in consumption funds, you're potentially tapping into these long-term trends that could drive growth over several years or even decades. So, should you consider investing in consumption funds for long-term wealth creation? If you're looking for a relatively stable and potentially growing investment that aligns with the rising demand for consumer products, consumption funds could be an option to explore. In conclusion, consumption funds could be a suitable choice for long-term wealth creation due to their exposure to essential industries with stable demand and growth potential. As always, make sure to do your research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guidance on investing. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.